Okay, I went down to the beach to do a video of the sunset. Noticed how cloudy it was, or I should say chemtrailed it was. Had heavy chemtrails this particular day at the sunset. I slowed this part down here. There was a time lapse of about 50%. And then I did some video, and you know, as I zoom around here, you can obviously see all the chemtrails in the sky. Even one part, you'll see a plane that's quite high that isn't even putting out any trail, but then you see all these other trails out here that are pretty heavy. And I noticed this a lot of times toward the evening, not on all days, but I have no reason to not believe that they're trying to cover something up in our skies. It's pretty obvious when you get heavy chemtrails at sunset. And I have a lot of videos of sunsets being covered with chemtrails. It's quite obvious, even behind us, directly above us, there's chemtrails. They were all over the sky. Rethinking It All and I were both down there at the same time, so he's got some of the same footage. So check his channel out. There's several channels I want people to go and check out that subscribe to me, like Taboo Conspiracy, Matrix Breakout. There's another gentleman, he's been doing some phenomenal videos, getting long shots. Hang on, let me pause this and Andrew John, BMLSB69. They've got, and there's more. I've got plenty of people that I should send you to watch, and I'll try to put some descriptions in the links below or in my comments section for others to go and watch. But what really got me was after I got back to my house, the moon was coming up, and I had noticed something when I was watching the moon, and I wish I actually would have had my camera on it right at the time that I saw these. But here it is. You obviously see this chemtrail below the clouds, but it's casting a shadow above on the clouds. How this is possible, I'm not sure, but I think it's pretty strange that we would see this happening. Whether it's the lights from the city casting up onto the chemtrail and casting a shadow up on the clouds, that could be a possibility. But I also just wanted to bring out the fact that they don't just chemtrail our sun, but they're also chemtrailing the moon. But what are they hiding by doing this? It's obvious when you see real clouds compared to the smeary, nasty looking clouds above everything. Now here's some original video. Damn it, you can't see. I wanted to show these jet trails that are leaving a reflection in the sky above them. I'm going to take some pictures. Maybe they'll come out that way. Okay, because my remote, the batteries died in my remote, I disconnected my camera from my tripod and shot these by hand. They're not out of focus. It's more I was shaking, zooming out, and you do a little shake to it, and you don't quite get a clear picture. But next time I'll have my batteries put back in this, because I think I could have got some really nice time lapse. And you notice between the time lapse and the actual video, when you start recording with a video, you don't quite get the same lighting. And that's one of the issues that I try to bring up about, people showing clouds behind the sun and moon is the video ain't quite as good sometimes as the time lapse. During some of the time lapses, you can obviously see the clouds going in front, and uh, you know, pictures or video will kind of give you the illusion that these clouds are going behind the sun and moon, which if you zoom in and have your proper exposure right, you will literally see them going in front of the moon or the sun. Now, I'm going to get back to another little time lapse after these pictures, and catch another little bit of the chemtrails going across. You don't get the shadowing quite as much, but you will obviously see these chemtrails being spread across the sky. And this is happening, I think, pretty much 24/7, where they're constantly spraying an area to do some cover up of something, some astronomical um, event or something in the sky that they're trying to keep us from seeing. So, like, subscribe, share, use. Have a good day, good night, wherever you're at. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the subscribers I have, and I look forward to doing more of these videos like this. I try my best to bring you the best quality I can. Sometimes it's not possible, depending on the circumstances. But, I still, like I say, I try to give you the best I can with what I've got. All right. Again, appreciate everybody watching. And like I said, if you can use my videos in any way, feel free to do so. I don't even give a crap about credit or the views anymore. I just want to show people my stuff and let them determine things on their own. Thanks. To bring up one last point, watch how the clouds themselves act like a natural filter for the camera and allow you to actually see the moon without the glare. I just wanted to bring that up. And again, thanks for watching.